Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This will be a quick video tutorial on making a new place to spawn in the level. That's a two-part process. So the first part is go into the level where you want to spawn at and go up to the F11, go into World Editor. Once in there, you'll go to this little create object, and then once there, you will pick player's spawn sphere. Left click and then hit escape. And then once you hit escape, go up to the inspector window. If you don't have it there, go to Window, Inspector. In the Inspector window, with that selected, type a name for it. We'll just call it Lucky Ball, because it's a spawn sphere, you know. So we'll just call it Lucky Ball. And don't forget how you spelled it, and if you use capital letters and all that, don't forget that. Save your level, and then go to the user folder. And in the user folder, in that level, you should have, this is Small Island, you should have an info file that's not in there. That's because it's a developer map. Let's go to the developer map. I forgot about that. Go to where the game's installed, BeamNG Drive, in your Steam library, Steam Maps, Common BeamNG Drive, and go into Content, Levels, and in this case, Small Island. And there will be an info file in there. You'll just copy it, paste it into your user folder, the info.json. Copy that, and then in your level, the user folder where changes to the level are being made, in this case adding a new shortcut, in there, paste it, and then open it up with Notepad++ or your other favorite text editor. And you'll see in here the spawn points that are already in here, right here. Now, if you look closely here, let me close all this stuff out so it's not so confusing. It can get kind of confusing with all that stuff. If you look here, you see where these different spawn spheres are already activated. Right, these are the ones you already select. Do you notice how in between each one is a bracket, comma, and then a backwards bracket? But the very last one there is a bracket, 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 right, like that. So if you want to make a new one, you can copy this like this. Copy this one, and then press enter here, and paste, and make a new one. And the name that you named it right here is where that goes. I called it Lucky Ball. And the object name is also Lucky Ball, which I don't think, you don't have to have all that shit in there. You can just put that, I believe, but I don't want to mess with it right now. It probably will be fine without it, but I'm just going to leave it. And then if you got your favorite picture you'd like to put in there for that location, say you press print screen, and you go to your photo editor and paste it and then crop it. Crop it 2:1, I think. So crop 2:1, 2:1, 2:1. And then press whatever you got to press on your photo editor to flatten it all up. And change the scale so it's a good even number, like 1200 by 600. And then save it in the user folder and name it whatever you're going to name it. And the user folder for your level, of course, that you're editing. Just right there in the root's fine. Just whatever you're going to call it. .jpeg, .png, it don't matter. That's up to you. Here's how I don't misspell stuff. I just copy it to the clipboard. I rename it, copy it, and paste it. I know I didn't make a mistake. And that should be it, man. That should be it. We just save it and reload the level, and it should have that in there to select now as a starting point. I don't think it's going to show me here. I think I got to reload. We'll see. Oh, it is actually there. Okay, cool. And it'll load us right in that spot. Another thing.